What's up YouTube, it's Hellcat J back here with another how to install video. Today I'm doing something I've been waiting for about a month since I ordered it. Today we are replacing the hood on my 2018 Dodge Charger GT all-wheel drive. So the reason I'm doing that is I don't really like this hood. It doesn't, I mean, it really takes away from the Charger's appearance. So what I actually purchased, which literally just delivered in my driveway, is the Ikon Motorsports Hellcat hood. So it's a Hellcat replica hood. It's got the two hood scoops and the central vent, kind of just like the Hellcat, but I'm sure you guys have seen this on the Charger. I purchased it on eBay for I think like $729 or something like that. I'll link it in the description. But yeah, today my neighbor is coming over in a few to help me install. This is definitely a two-man job. We'll be going over what you need to do to get it done. All right, so what I'm gonna do right now is a quick unboxing of the hood to see how it looks. Okay guys, it's packaged really well. Came with a lot of protective layers. From the looks of it, it looks fantastic. It comes in a unpainted matte black, or I guess that's painted, which is gonna go okay with, you know, the phantom black of the Charger, but I will get it painted to color match. I do prefer the gloss black, but I don't mind rocking the matte black hood for a few days. Yeah, so I'm gonna take it out of this plastic and really take a better look at it. As you can see here, it also comes with the I guess you could say covers for the vents detached, and you have to install them into the open pieces of the hood. But I guess I could do that right at the end. All right. Okay guys, so this is kind of an overview of how it came. I don't really see any imperfections on it at all. It did come with this little, I don't know what this is, but it looks like I could just like kind of, you know, buff that off. I don't think it's a scratch. It's more raised in texture. I don't know what that is, but the hood doesn't have any scratches. It looks good. Unpacking it was pretty easy. I guess there's just one thing you have to do. Underneath here you see some screws that you have to take out to separate the wood, but other than that, it's pretty easy. So yeah, today we'll be installing it on my Charger, and yeah, I'm waiting for my neighbor to come over and help me, so should be a huge improvement in looks. I can't wait. All right guys, in preparation for my waiting for my neighbor coming over, I'm just gonna start doing as much as I can to get the process started alone. So step one is you have to remove these little clips from the hood liner. That can simply be done with your hand. You can use a tool, but I just did the first one with my hand. Just be careful not to break these parts of the clips. All right guys, as you can see, I've removed all those clips from the hood liner. I put it aside because I think I'll be putting it back on just to protect the engine bay. I saved the clips here. And now the next step is to remove the windshield washer clips. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on the underside of the hood here, you have to remove the actual window washing units. So that'll be the next step. Just be careful not to break these because they should fit right back into the OEM, I mean the new hood, and yeah, you won't have windshield washers if you don't if you break those clips. So yeah, next step. All right guys, we're making progress here. So I removed all the clips, which are basically these little small plastic screws. They just pop out with your hand. Removing these actual window washing units is a little bit harder. It requires a pretty forceful pop out, but yeah, if you just give it some pressure like this, squeeze it and come down, it just comes right off. Nothing broke on them, so I'm happy about that. And then now I'm gonna take this out of here via this hole. Actually, you have to remove these units from the tube right here to get it through, because it's not gonna fit through this hole. I'm gonna try to do a closer up of that. So that's the next step, remove that. Okay guys, once you get these window washing units removed, I put everything aside in one place, you can actually just snake the line out, as I'm about to show you right here. So you remove it from the hood here, and then what you do is you just lay it down, and you'll be reinstalling it back into the new hood. So that's it for now. The rest of the job is basically a two-man job. You're gonna unscrew, untighten these shocks right here, and then it'll come right off. And then you take out these two bolts right here. I think they're 10 or 12 millimeter in size, and that's it. The hood should pop right off, and then you just reverse the whole process. So yeah, so this part is a two-man job because you want someone to hold the hood, and you know, on the other side, you know, you don't want nothing falling on your car or, you know, scraping all over the other parts of your car. So yeah, I'm waiting for my neighbor. He should be here shortly. I'm super excited. We're almost there. What's up, YouTube? My neighbor Jay finally arrived.
What up?
That's his Civic Si right there.
Very dirty.
He's an import guy. I'm American Muscle, but we're both car guys, so it's all love. We're finally here to do the last part of the install. Basically, with these, what are they called? Shocks. You just lefty-loosey unscrew them, and they come right off. And then you have 13 millimeter bolts right here, and that just, they screw off, and you're good to go. Why I say it's a two-man job, because at this point, if you didn't have a friend to help you, it would just slam back down on you. So yeah, here we go. Let's unbolt this bad boy. Let's just lay this one right on top of that stuff. Let me just get the liner out from underneath the block real quick. Yeah, it is. All right, guys. As you can see, that was pretty easy. Just unscrew and then take out the bolts. All right, now it's time to place the new one. Oh boy, let's do it. It is light too.
I think it's lighter.
It's a little heavier, yeah.
You think it's heavy?
It's a little heavier, I would think. Oh my god. I'll let you. So you want to place the top two bolts first, just for placement. I'll let him do his thing, then he'll support me. So now we're taking out the latch. Are we even recording here?
I hope you are.
Okay, yeah, we are. So now we're taking out the latch cover thing and we're just doing a test fit, man. It's gotta go this way.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, it's fine because I'm replacing bumpers too. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So this is close right now?
Right. So this is our initial fitment. My boy Jay has way more experience than me, saying we just gotta fit it just a little bit better, adjust it this way a little bit, and it should be good. So that's what we're trying to do. Okay. Let me pop to the left. Okay, last step, guys. You attach your shock absorbers back in, right and tighty. The hood has them pre-built in. Okay. Okay, so that, now you have to put back your window washers. Stick it down in this hole. Down. All right, guys. So the windshield washer unit things didn't necessarily fit exactly like OEM. I don't know if that's going to cause me an issue, but we're going to try them out first before I put the hood liner back on. So let's give it a shot.
Maybe it won't work at 140, but it'll work.
All right, so next step we're gonna do is we're gonna install these inserts for the hood scoop pieces, okay? That's just simple screws on the bottom, and there's pre-built holes in there. And that's just a flathead screwdriver. So as you can see, there's just clips. You come in from the top, and then these side vents have 2 screws. I think this might just be clips. Alrighty, guys.
It's definitely a 2-man operation.
That's pretty much it. Yeah, that looks right. Okay. So yeah, we got the hood scoops installed, or the vent guards, or whatever you want to call them. All right, so let me back up, give you guys a nice look at it. Hell yeah. That looks way more aggressive. Much better than what I had. Very good. Disappointed that it came with some dents in the hood, 1, 2, and 3. but I had to wait pretty much over a month for this part, and I don't have the patience to ask Ikon to send me for another one. So I'll be reaching out to them. Maybe they could hook me up with a little discount or something. But I'll probably just get it fixed at the body shop. But yeah, guys, that's it. And then the last step is just to put your hood liner back on, and you're good to go. So obviously, coming from the OEM hood, which is very different than the Hellcat style hood, not all of your hood cover clips are gonna stick in. I was actually only able to fit the 4 corners, which is okay, just protection for my engine bay. Yeah, so I think that's it. That's the whole job. All right, comes down nice. Whoa. Voila, guys. So you come around the side profile. Oh yeah, baby, she's looking good now. We're not done. We're still gonna put the wide body, but yeah, I'm loving this. Just got to get her cleaned up. Oh wow, look at that. Thank you, my neighbor Jay.
Yeah, anytime.
It's a nice, quick, easy install, guys. So I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you guys later. What's up, YouTube? It's Hellcat Jay. Now this video is kind of in the future after my hood install. I know I showed you guys the how-to process. I think my camera died right at the very end there. So I just want to show you guys the finished product after painting the hood and whatnot. Sorry, it's a little dirty. My neighbor turned on the sprinkler and got spots all over my hood, but this is how she's looking after she's painted. Oh, I forgot to show you guys, you just pop these in. These get screwed on, these side vents here, but this one just kind of pops in. It was a little hard to do, but you guys take a look at that. So another thing I want to mention real quick is you know, with the OEM bumper that I had, which is the bumper that comes on the GT and I think the RT trims, there was a huge like hood gap in this crease right here that was really annoying, probably about 1/4 inch big. I tried to get it fixed, or tried to reposition the hood. It just wasn't doing it, so I figured it was just because of the fitment. And also there were 2-3 dents on the top of the hood here that I didn't notice, that came with shipping. So I called up Ikon and they gave me like $300 off the hood. They refunded me 300 bucks. So yeah, I got the hood painted for about 600 bucks, and it looks really good. Really, I mean, look at that. I love it, man. I did install the wide body kit, but that's for another video. I'm not revealing that just yet. But I also installed the Ikon Motorsports wide body kit. This is all I'm going to show you. I don't want to reveal it just yet, but what I did notice is that hood gap literally disappeared. So that's one thing to note. If you do go aftermarket hood, you might as well go aftermarket bumper and replace the whole thing, and it just fits so nicely. So yeah, guys, let me show you a little bit of a side view without trying to reveal the wide body kit I did. That's nice, man. I mean, it really looks real nice and aggressive, ties in with the body lines of the Charger. But yeah, that's how she's looking. Excuse the dirtiness, but I will be washing her tomorrow. But yeah, so yeah, stay tuned for more updates. I'm gonna show you guys how to do the wide body kit. I'm gonna show you guys a lot more stuff. So please, I appreciate the support. I appreciate the love, guys. Just follow my channel, subscribe. There's plenty of how-tos. I'm always open up to questions. Whatever you guys need, just hit me up. Peace.